at Walmart. We went out of town last week, so I didn't get to go. But currently, I am at Walmart ready to do my Ibotta haul. A lot of you guys love it. If you are new, welcome. My name is Jennifer, and my channel is DesignerJen, because I used to go to school for interior design. But I'm ready to go inside. I don't know what I have for a weekend warrior. If there is one, my weekend warrior usually will pop up in about 30 minutes, so we will see. And then I have another bonus where I think I get like $2 if I get like 6 more rebates or something like that. So we will see what the weekend warrior is after I'm done shopping, so let's go. Here we have the Camfo Finique for $3.97. We do have a $1.50 off insert coupon. You'll end up paying $2.47, but with the Ibotta deal, we actually have a $1.50 rebate with Ibotta and a 10-cent any sleep aid. So you'll get this product for just 87 cents or 97 cents if you don't have the 10-cent bonus. Here we have the Colgate gum renewal. Make sure you scan your item before you purchase it, because some of them do not work, but they are currently $6.96. We do have a $1 off printable coupon from Colgate.com, so you'll end up paying $5.96, but then there is a $5 rebate with Ibotta, making it just 96 cents. I'm getting this because I actually really enjoy this toothpaste. Here we have the Revlon Kiss Balms for $3.74. You would pay $3.74, but there's currently a $3 rebate with Ibotta, making it just 74 cents. Here we have the Coppertone Pure and Simple. It is currently $8.97, but we do have a $2 off insert coupon from 2 weeks ago. Otherwise, there is a 5 off of 2. I just don't have very much left, so I decided to use the $2 off coupon. So you end up paying $6.97, but there's actually 2 rebates that are popping up for this rebate, a $2.50 and a $3 rebate. So you'll end up getting this for $1.47 if you use the $2 off coupon, or 97 cents if you use the 5 off of 2. So you'd actually pay $1.96 if you use the 5 off of 2. Here we have the Suave Pink. I have scanned all of these, and there is only a $2 rebate, but if you scan the conditioner one, there's actually 2 rebates that pop up for this one. So this is $4.98. You'll submit 2 different rebates with Ibotta, making this just 98 cents, and it has to be for the conditioner only. Here we have the Safeguard hand sanitizer. I have a Peely for buy one get one free, so some of your stores might have it. It does expire in a few days, but it is $3.97. You want to buy 2 of these. I bought one that was one higher and one lower, and the coupon took the lower price, so you want to buy something that has the same price. So $3.97. If you guys can get that Peely coupon for buy one get one free, you will pay $3.97, but then you can submit to Ibotta for a 3 off of 2 rebate, making it just 97 cents or 48 cents a piece. Here we have the Can Do 48 count wipes for $1.88. You can actually go to the Can Do website or go to lozo.com and type in Can Do, but there is a 50-cent off printable coupon that you guys want to use. You'll end up paying $1.38 for this, but then you can submit a 75-cent rebate with Ibotta if it'll focus. It comes out to be just 63 cents. Here we have the Clean and Clear. This one actually is $4.34. We do have a printable coupon for $1.50 off. You'll end up paying $2.84, but then there is a $1 rebate with the Ibotta app, making it just $1.84 if you need that product. We have the 7th generation dish soap for $2.77, but with the Shopkick app, you actually get 25 kicks for purchasing and 600 kicks for 25 kicks for scanning and 600 kicks for purchasing it, which is equivalent to $2.55. So this bottle comes out to be just 27 cents. We have the Nestle Splash for $1.68. We do have printable coupons that you guys can use. It does say up to 4. My Ibotta deal, I need 3 of them, so you want to buy 3 of them. You want to use 3 of the printable coupons. You end up paying $1.01, but then there is a 50 or 75-cent off a 3 rebate with Ibotta, making it $1.26 or just 42 cents a pack. Here we have the Baby Bell Plus for $3.78. You would pay $3.78, but there's currently a freebie with Ibotta where you'll get $3.78 back, making this absolutely free. we have this Skippy squeeze for $2.47. There's currently a 75-cent off a 2 printable coupon that you guys can print from the Skippy website itself. Then there is, so you would end up buying 2 of them, you would pay $4.19. But then there is a $1 rebate with Ibotta, so you can do that times 2, making your final price just $2.19 or $1.09 each. But there is actually a bonus if you buy 2 different separate transactions, so I will be getting a 50-cent bonus, making my final total $1.69 or just 84 cents a piece. Here we have the Nerds gummy clusters for 98 cents. There's currently a 50-cent rebate for this with Ibotta, so your final total for this would be just 48 cents. Here we have the Ballpark Everything for $2.40. There's currently a 50-cent rebate with Ibotta for the Everything, and we have a 30-cent rebate, 300 point, which is 30 cents with Fetch Rewards. So you'll end up paying $2.40, you'll get the 2 rebates, comes out to be just $1.60 for an 8-pack of Everything buns. Hello everybody, welcome back. Yes, you guys know this, I went to Walmart. So today is Thursday, and the Weekend Warrior usually starts on Thursday. And it usually starts at 8 o'clock Central, my time, in the morning. So while I was in the store, I kept refreshing it, shutting the app down, refreshing it. Nothing. So then what I did is I logged out of my thing. I just logged out and then I logged right back in, and then the Weekend Warrior popped up. So if you guys are ever in doubt that the Weekend Warrior is not there, maybe try logging out before you submit your receipt and logging right back in. Sometimes I do that anyways because then it just updates, like you guys are Ibotta friends with me on Facebook to get your levels a little bit easier. So sometimes it updates that. So just want to give you guys a heads up on that if you're like, what? You know. Anyways, I really wanted to get the Oreo Dynasty Oreos because there's 2 different deals going on, but my store was completely sold out of them, which is totally fine because I'm already swimming in Oreos as it is. So that was the one deal I was really excited for, but I needed 15 rebates to get the Weekend Warrior, which is perfect because I got exactly 15 Ibotta rebates. So that's how I hit my bonus, because I'm just like, oh, I gotta figure out what it would be. Usually it is 15 for me. So the first deal I got is the Nestle Splash Water. Now these were at my store were $1.67. There's currently $1 off printable coupons on coupons.com, and they are resetting like crazy. They don't expire till September, so keep printing those out. But I used 3 $1 off printable coupons. It does have a limit of 4. You would pay $2.01 for 3 of these, but then I actually have a rebate for 75 cents off of 3. Last time it was 75 cents, and then it was 75 cents off of 2, and then it's 75 cents off of 3. So your guys' total might be a little bit different, but mine was the 3. But you would get 3 of them for $1.26 or just 42 cents a piece. 42 cents for a 6-pack is a great deal. I know when my son has his birthday party, I'm definitely be putting those in the cooler so people can drink those. So the next deal I got is the Baby Bell. I have yet to try these. I don't know. I'm just kind of afraid. I don't know why I am. I love cheese. But this is the freebie. So you guys would get this for $3.78. You would pay $3.78. But then you get a $3.78 rebate with Ibotta, making this absolutely free. So we got that going on. The next deal I got is the Safeguard hand sanitizer. Now, I actually had a Peely for buy one, get one free when I did this haul last time. I had one that had on the product, but the store that I went to this time did not have the Peely. So make sure you guys are look like crazy, but it does end at the end of this month. So just giving you guys a heads up. But these were $3.97. I used that buy one, get one free. Now, and I explained it in the breakdowns. If you get one that's $3.97 and a product that's $2.97, it will take $2.97 off. If you get them both the same price, then it'll take $3.97 off. So you guys would end up paying $3.97, but then there is a 3 off of 2 rebate with Ibotta, making it 97 cents or 48 cents a piece. Yeah, I've been feeling like I get hand sanitizer like crazy. The next deal I got is the Ballpark hamburger buns. Now the ones for the Ibotta deal, you need to get everything flavor. So these were $2.40. You would pay $2.40 for this. But then with my Ibotta, I had a 50-cent rebate for this. And then with Fetch Rewards, I just had a 300 points, which is equivalent to 30 cents for any ballpark item. So I got that. So this comes out to be $1.60. I know my husband will really like it. I'm a plain type of girl, just plain, but I know he will really like this because we want to be grilling on, we'll probably be grilling this weekend. And I'm going in the order, you guys, I'm going in the order that I did so I don't lose my spot. So I ended up getting the Suave pink shampoo and conditioner. Now this is actually the conditioner. I scanned all of them, and there's only this one had 2 rebates pop up for this, so it's a double whammy. So this was $4.98. You would pay $4.98, but then there's 2 Ibotta rebates for $2, making this bottle just 98 cents, which I'm actually kind of excited to try it because I kind of curl my hair, and I do use the Suave's travel size stuff when I travel, so I'm excited to use that. I ended up getting this Nerds cluster. I've been trying to find this everywhere, and I just finally found it. I also been trying to find the trolleys at Walmart. My store had them, and then they've been sold out, and they haven't restocked since. But I ended up getting the Nerds cluster. These were 98 cents. You would pay 98 cents for this. But you can submit a 50-cent rebate with Ibotta, making it 48 cents. If you guys can find this at your Kroger store, or I have Pick and Save, this will be a freebie for you guys if you can do it that way. So did that. I ended up doing the Coppertone. Now, I did it a different way because I just felt like this is the way I'm going to do it. So we do have $2 off coupons, and we have 5 off of 2 coupons. I don't have very much 5 off of 2 coupons left. I kind of wanted to save it, so I just did it this way anyways. So the Coppertone was $8.97. $8.97. You would end up using that $2 off coupon. You would pay $6.97. But there's actually 2 rebates that are popping up for this product, a $2.50 rebate and a $3 rebate. So this comes out to be just $1.47. If you guys have that 5 off of 2, then you get each of them for $1.96, I think is what the price would be. So it depends on how you guys want to do that. I'm just kind of saving those coupons because they don't expire till almost the middle of July. So there might be some more hot deals. Yes, so I ended up doing the Can-Do Flushable Wipes. I am going to give you guys a heads up. Do not flush these. I've heard many stories, especially from you guys. Do not flush flushable wipes. I've heard them from plumbers. Do not use flushable wipes. They actually clog your drains, and then they end up like just sitting there rotting, and it's disgusting. Like, don't even look it up, I'm just telling you. But anyways, these were $1.88. I used a 50-cent off printable coupon from the Can-Do website. If you guys cannot find it, just go to lozolazo.com, type in Can-Do, and it'll take you directly to the website for that. So you guys would end up paying $1.38 for this, but then there is a 75-cent rebate on Ibotta, making this just 63 cents. If you guys need to go ahead and do that. I ended up getting the Clean and Clear. Now this was $4.34. I used a $1.50 off printable coupon from coupons.com. I cannot remember if it's still available. But anyways, it reset a couple times anyways. So you would end up paying $2.84, but then there is a $1 rebate with Ibotta, making this just $1.84. So it's an okay deal, but you know, a lot of you guys use this stuff, so I wanted to share with you guys deals on stuff that not everything's a hot deal, but you know, some of that stuff you might need. The next deal I did was this little Camphor Finique bottle. Now this is the pain and itch relief, which is perfect because the mosquitoes are going to be arriving soon. They're going to be arriving. So these were $3.97. I used a $1.50 off insert coupon that we got from a couple weeks ago. We also have a 4 off of 2, but with this deal, it's a limit of 1. I know it sucks. A limit of 1. But you would end up paying $2.47 with that $1.50 off coupon. Then there is a $1.50 rebate with Ibotta, and I had a 10-cent any rebate, so that's 2 rebates right there for you guys. So your final price would be just 87 cents for that tiny little bottle. Okay, I ended up getting the 7th generation soap. funny thing is, last night when I was going through my breakdowns, this had 25 points for scanning it and 400 kicks for purchasing it. This morning, I opened up the app and it said I got 625. Well, then I got out of it and went back in there and it said 425. And I'm like, what the heck? And then I clicked on submit my receipts and it did say 600. So make sure you guys are checking that. Just like click like you're going to submit your receipt and you actually choose what you got. And just giving you guys a heads up with that. So this could be a better deal if you can get the 600 points. So this was $2.77. You would pay $2.77. But with Shopkick, you get 625 Shopkick points, which is equivalent to $2.55, making this just 27 cents. I've been getting a lot of 7th generation soap lately, which is a good thing. I ended up doing the Colgate deal. The Colgate was $6.96. I know it's a little pricey. I did use a $1 off printable coupon from Colgate.com where you would pay $5.97. But then there is a $5 rebate with Ibotta, making it just 97 cents. Now I'm like, I am okay with paying a little bit out of pocket for this. An average person should pay that much. But anyways, I got this because I really enjoy this toothpaste. It's downpouring and my windows are open, so I gotta hurry up. I got the Skippy peanut butter. These were $2.47. I have yet to use these. I've been wanting to use them. I got them like piled up. But anyways, I printed off a 75-cent off a 2 printable coupon from the Skippy website, so skippy.com. You would pay $4.19, but then you can submit $1 and $1 rebate with Ibotta. And I had a 50-cent bonus for purchasing these in 2 separate transactions, so I got a 50-cent bonus. So for me, it would be $1.69 or 84 cents a piece. If you do not have that bonus, it would be $2.19 or $1.09. So if you guys need some peanut butter. And then I got one more item to share with you. I got the Revlon. Now, there is a bonus. I did not catch it, but there is a bonus if you guys buy 2 different Revlon products. So just give you guys a heads up. But anyways, this was $3.74. You would pay $3.74 for this. But then there's that $3 rebate with Ibotta, making it just 74 cents. So that was my haul. Not a lot of crazy stuff, but I was excited to share with you guys what I got. My total came to $48.44. I have not had it that low since I can remember. I've always gone over to $100. It's crazy. But $48.44. I ended up getting $31.38 back with Ibotta. Shopkicks, I'll be getting $2.55. Fetch Rewards, I got 30 cents back. I got the bonus for the home stretch. There was like 3 different bonuses and you had to like climb to get them. So I did finish the home stretch. I needed 5 rebates to finish that, so I got $2 for that. I did get the Weekend Warrior where I needed 15 rebates to get $5. That's awesome. And then I finished level 3, which I have not finished level 3 because my levels, I have to get 40 items per level. It's crazy. They've gone up more and more and more, which is, I don't even bother paying attention to the levels anymore because there's so much items you need. But yes, $2 for level 3, and then I got that 50-cent bonus from Skippy. So my grand total came to $4.71. I got 18 items at just 26 cents a piece. So everything for under $5. That's the way to go. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I will have a printable breakdown for you guys below so you guys can enjoy these deals. Make sure you do keep in mind that some of these do expire like soon, so you guys definitely want to try to do it this weekend. Thanks for watching. Let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next week. See you later. Bye-bye.